let baby girl, I'm locked up. They won't let me out, no. They won't let me out. Cause visitation no longer comes by. Seems like they forgot about me. Commissary is getting empty. My cellmates eating food without me. Can't wait to get out and move forward with